Do your sheets slide off the bed when you're trying to sleep? If they do, I have just the thing for you. So stay tuned. My channel, this is Miss V here today, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a review and demonstration of the sheet fasteners that are at the Dollar Tree. If you've ever been to the Dollar Tree, I'm sure you've seen them, but you've never thought to pick them up because you probably thought that they didn't work. But guess what? I've had them for over 2 years, and yes, they do work. So I'm going to be changing my sheets out on my twin guest bed and demonstrating how you use them and let you see for yourself. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I thought since this is a little light twin mattress, I'd flip it over and show you how to attach the sheet fasteners to your sheet. So see how much room I have on this sheet? It'll easily slide when you in a good night's having a good night's sleep. So take the fastener face up, this the back side, face up, and we're gonna attach it just like this, so it'll be nice and taut. So I hope you can see that. So you open your clamp. You're gonna put it in this open spot first, this large spot, then you're gonna slide it. You're gonna slide it up. So let's do that on the sheet. And then, you know, of course, you go on each side of the seam where the corners are. So we're going to just start on here as far as you can. Just stretch it. It's going to stretch. So we'll start right here. We're going to open it up. You always put this hem all the way to the back of this flap. All the way to the back of this. Because it's hard to put the fabric through that hem. Because you know a hem is thick. So let's do that again. Gonna put it in right there, slide it in the open area, and push it up. That's that side. We're gonna do that again over here. Open area, and push it up. Just gotta make sure that hem is not in there because it's hard to do it. But of course, these came from the Dollar Tree, so if you get some more expensive one, it may be able to go through the hem. I don't know. But we saving money over here on this channel, so we at the Dollar Tree. So I could have made that one a little tighter. Let's make that one a little tighter. So to take it off, you just slide it up, push it up, and open. Alright, we're going to put this over here. Open. And push it up. So I've done this all the way around. Got the sheet nice and tight. And the good thing about it, when you take the sheets off, this comes off with it. You can wash it and everything. It just stays on there. So I pretty much I have one for this room. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get a few more for my other bed. Show you another way. I'm gonna open it up. Push up and it'll open. So another way you could do it. Slide it in. Slide it over your sheet. Put it in the open area. And this little flap that's attached to that, just pull it. Wrinkles, this sheet is nice and tight now. I know some people probably iron their sheets. I don't. I guess I could iron it. I'm getting a steam iron one day. But anyway, this is what we have. I hope this video was useful. And these sheet And these sheet fasteners, they do not come off. At least I haven't had a problem with them coming off. So you just pull your sheet off and wash them and put them back on. They stay on your sheets. So I'm gonna purchase some more so I can put a set on each set of my sheets. I just forgot I had them until I got ready to change these sheets. So that's it. I hope this video was useful. If you know of anyone who would benefit from this video, please share it. And if you like saving money and saving time on anything that relates to this thing called life, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you felt like this video was useful. And that's going to conclude this video. This is Saving with Miss V. I'm going to continue to help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. And I DIY'd this headboard, everybody. I'll link it in the description box. But I'm getting ready to give it to my daughter. I think I'm going to do a new one. So that video will be coming up soon. Thank you and have a nice day.